Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If escape backroom mic is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. When you are facing this problem, then click on the speaker icon and right click on it and open sound settings. Now scroll down and click on the more sound settings and open a pop-up window. Now click on the recording time and now set your microphone is default setting and other is delete this. After doing this step, check the problem. If your problem is not fixed, then the next solution is right click on again and go to the open value, sound setting. Now click on the microphone array. Now check the input value. Set this. After doing this step, check the problem. Your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.